Good day, students. I am Sir Gilbert Lahara, your teacher in Physical Education and Health 12. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about Philippine folk dance. Before we proceed to our discussion, let me first read our learning objectives. 1. Identify the nature and background of folk dance. Number 2. Explain the different classifications of folk dance. Number 3. Perform the fundamental steps of folk dance. What is folk dance? We all know that folk dance is one of the classifications of dance. How about its history, nature, and background? Folk dance is the oldest form of dance and the earliest form of communication. And as what we have discussed in our previous discussion, we learned that dance is a form of communication because we can be able to express our feelings and our emotions, and we can be able to convey a message using our movements and our gestures. The traditional dance of a given country which evolved naturally and spontaneously with everyday activities. Mostly folk dances in different parts of the Philippines are evolved and derived based from their daily activities like their occupations, customs, festivals, and their rituals. Folk dances is handed down from generation to generation. Even up to now, we can still witness different types of folk dance in different places in our country, and it is being taught by your teacher in order for you students to learn more about different kinds of folk dance because it is part of our culture and our tradition. Philippine folk dances have five major classifications. We have Cordillera dances, Spanish influence dances, Muslim dances, tribal dances, and we have rural dances. First off, we have Cordillera dances. These dances reflect rituals which celebrate your daily lives, like a good harvest, health, peace, war, and other symbols of the living. Examples of Cordillera dances are Patong in Bontoc and Sayaw sa Banga in Kalinga. Next is Spanish influence dances. Philippine aristocrats created Filipino adaptations of European dances. Spanish influence dances is a type of folk dance which was being influenced by the Spaniards, since we are being colonized by them a long time ago. That's why even dancing was being influenced by them. And some of that dances are jotas, fandangos, mazurkas, and waltzes. These are the examples of the Spanish influence dances. We have the jota and habanera. The next type of folk dances is Muslim dance. It was being influenced by Malay, Javanese, and Middle Eastern traders. It shows mysticism, royalty, and beauty. They uses intricate hand and arm movement while dancing. The fingers expresses feelings and emotions, and usually they uses shimmering costumes. And these are the example of Muslim dances. Maranao has their singkil, and Tausug has their pangalay. The next type of Filipino folk dance is tribal dances. Filipino tribal dance includes the repertory of sacred and secular traditional dances of the Philippines, notable for its combination of grace and vigor. Dancers imitate the graceful movements of birds, fish, and boats, celebrate fertility in vigorous movements to the accompaniment of resonant drumming and drums. They use intricate craftsmanship in metal, clothing, and jewelry, and it is reflected in their costumes. It reflects rituals and animals' belief in spirits and shamans, also known as ethnic ritual or anito dances. And these are the example of tribal dances. Tibuli has their Madal Tao and Manobo has their Bangkakaw. Another type of folk dance is rural dances. It shows gaiety, laughter, and festivities. If you will watch this kind of dance, you will witness a very energetic and lively performance. It is performed in fiestas to honor patron saints, give homage to the various namesake for a good harvest and health, and most of these dances use indigenous materials. This kind of dance reflects the simple life of perseverance of the people in the barrio. The examples of rural dances are maglalatik and wasiwas. Maglalatik is a type of dance wherein the dancers are using coconut shell and strike it to produce sounds, while wasiwas is somewhat similar with pandango sa ilaw. But in this kind of dance, the dancers uses candle, glass, and a piece of cloth. And that's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned about folk dances and its classifications. Thank you and God bless.